Gallopocalypse, the saga of one loud horse. An unnecessary symphony of hooves that nobody asked for.
Chapters: the warm-up, the fast lane, midnight thunder, the grand stampede, the sneaky Clop, romantic Clop, angry Hooves, echo in the canyon, rain dance Hooves, sleepy Hooves, dream Gallop, the final Clop.
Dear readers, I am a turtle, and let me tell you, life is best taken slowly, unless you are a horse. Horses just cannot help themselves, always dashing, prancing, clomping like the world is on fire. This book is about one such thunder-hoofed creature. Brace your ears, because what follows is not a story in words, but in sounds. The sounds of hooves that never learned the meaning of silence. Good luck.
The warm-up. The horse begins gently, as if the ground itself were still asleep. Each step is light, almost apologetic. Clip, clop, clip, clop. But the apology lasts only seconds. Soon the rhythm grows louder, prouder. Clippity-cloppity clop. The turtle watches in dismay. To him, every hoof is a hammer. To the horse, every hoof is a song. The earth slowly wakes to this endless drumming. The horse finds joy in his own racket. The turtle closes his eyes, hoping the sound will pass, but it does not. It multiplies. The page fills with hooves. The world fills with hooves. Just when it feels the noise must end, the horse takes a deep breath and begins again, faster, louder. Silence almost arrives. Almost. Then a final burst. Clip-clop, clip-clop, clip-clop. The fast lane. No more warm-ups. The horse bolts like lightning unchained. The air splits apart. Dust storms fly behind. Trees tremble as though the forest itself fears hooves. The turtle clutches his shell tighter. Clip, clop, clip, 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 clip. The rhythm is endless, relentless, merciless. The turtle mutters,
"What foolish speed."
But the horse ignores him. The hooves become laughter. The laughter becomes thunder. The thunder becomes madness. There is no stopping this gallop. The page itself shakes beneath the weight of the sound. And still the horse runs on. Midnight thunder. The night is quiet, too quiet. Then darkness shakes. Every hoof falls like a falling boulder. Clop, clop. The turtle retreats deep inside his shell. Each step rattles the stars. Each thud makes the moon tremble. Boom, boom. The gallop is no longer music. It is storm. It is danger. It is an army of legs with only one general, the horse. Clip-clop, clip-clop, boom. The noise devours the silence. The silence surrenders. The world becomes hooves. Then finally a pause. A single echo fades into the void. Clop. The turtle dares to peek out, but he knows. The storm will return. The grand stampede. One horse, no, 100, 1,000. The earth roars, the air splits. The turtle barely holds on to a rock as the stampede consumes the land. The sound is not hoofbeats anymore. It is an earthquake disguised as Gallop. The sky darkens with dust. The ground shakes like waves. Hooves everywhere, 1,000 rhythms blending into one unstoppable force. The turtle screams,
"Enough."
but his cry's lost. The stampede does not listen. It never listens. The hooves roll onward like fate itself, loud and endless. The sneaky Clop. The horse tries to be quiet. He really does. but every step betrays him. Even sneaking, the horse sounds like a marching band with cymbals. The turtle stares in disbelief. Is this what the horse calls silence? The horse tiptoes. The world rattles anyway. The sneaky Clop is the loudest sneak in history. Romantic Clop. The horse slows beneath the moon. Soft, gentle, steady. The sound is almost beautiful. Almost. Each hoof a heartbeat, each clop a whispered promise. The turtle admits, very quietly, that it might be nice. The rhythm becomes a love song written in dirt and echo. Even the stars seem to sway. Angry hooves. The horse is angry now. The turtle ducks. The ground suffers. Each hoof is a tantrum, a protest, a demand for attention. The air shakes with fury. The anger will not end until every echo has been heard. Echo in the canyon. The horse runs into a canyon. The canyon answers. Every step multiplies. Every clop becomes 10 clops. The horse grins. The canyon is his orchestra. The turtle covers his ears. The echo refuses to stop. Rain dance hooves. The rain falls. The horse dances. The hooves splash. The mud sings. The puddles clap along. The turtle sighs. Even the sky has joined in. Sleepy hooves. The horse slows. Each step is a yawn. Each hoof drags through the dirt. The world grows heavy with drowsy rhythm. The turtle almost feels sorry. Almost. Dream Gallop. The horse sleeps but runs in dreams. The world of sleep fills with phantom hooves. The turtle cannot escape. Even dreams gallop. The horse smiles in slumber. The turtle groans. The final clop. At last, silence creeps in. The horse slows. The turtle breathes. The world rests. Then, faintly, far away, the sound promises it will never truly end.